Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make money in pocket option with just 3 indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more content, and if you want to copy my trades, then write me on Telegram through the contact link in the video description. The strategy I'm using to take the trades aim to identify oversold and overbought levels where the market reverses and we take trades for potential profit. This 2-buy trades are taken in oversold conditions where the candles are at the lower Keltner channel line and the RSI and stochastic oscillator are all oversold. The settings for the Keltner channel indicator are as follows: EMA period 20, ATR period 10 and multiplier 2. RSI period is 13. The stochastic moving average type is WMA and the overbought is 90 and oversold is 10. Now let's wait for the trades to close after 3 minutes. We made profit here. All the trades closed in profit. Great. For copy trading, don't forget to write me on Telegram.